Hola a todos, welcome back to my channel. So I am taking you guys with me as I get my sewing done. Right now I'm prepping the hair. I am washing it with Dawn dish soap just to help me start to get some of the chemicals out. I actually wore this hair the last time I had in my sewing, so I'll have that link down below. But yeah, I just wanted to get as much chemicals out as I can. And then I am boiling some water and I'm going to put some conditioner in that water and actually boil my weave. This is the first time I've ever done it and I am obsessed. It definitely changes the life of the hair. It makes it feel like it's brand new again. So I put it in there. I think I let it sit for about 10 minutes just because I was nervous that the hair was going to melt or something, but I could have kept it in there a little bit longer. So the next time I do this, I'm definitely going to keep this in here for at least 25 minutes. And every couple minutes, I just went ahead and kind of stirred it up a little bit. And then I actually prep my hair. I'll have that video linked below and up top just so you can see how I prep my hair. And then the next day I went to go get my sewing done. Now this girl has been doing my sewing since I was in college, so probably like 5 or 6 years, no, 6 or 7 years I should say. And she always makes my sewings look like it's coming out of my hair. I always get people confused whenever I'm wearing weave when she does it. And I'm actually going to get the middle part and I'm going to get a side part. This is the first time I've ever done this. I didn't even know you could do this. But I just couldn't decide on which part I wanted. I always get the middle and I wanted to kind of switch it up. But then I was also like, but I don't want to switch it up. So anyway, I was able to get the middle and the side part. Now Queen does make sure everything is done nicely with the braiding and her sewing, but she works quickly, so you're not sitting there all day long. I also credit Queen for how much my hair has actually grown over the years because she does an excellent job of making sure that it's protected when I have in protective styles, because she doesn't sew in my hair too tight. She allows me to have room to put oils and things in there, and then I just follow her instructions on making sure like I take the weave out. In about 2 months, you shouldn't keep it longer than that. But whenever I leave, my hair is not too tight on my head. I don't have headaches. The only issue that I have, which I'm sure everybody has issues with when they are getting protective styles, is that after like a week or two, it starts to itch. But I have found some products that do help with soothing the itch, so it's not that bad. After you get through that little hump of it itching, it's pretty much fine from that point on. Queen is also super duper affordable. She doesn't have a high price because she works from home, so she doesn't want to overcharge you, although I think she should definitely charge more for the results that you get. She does a great job. I'll have her info linked down below if you want to check her out and if you live in the Chicago area. But other than that, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Feel free to leave any questions down in the comment section below. And until the next video, I will see you guys later.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.